morning. We made it over to Manapouri Lake, and really awesome sunrise coming in this morning as I was driving past Tianu and some of those mountain ranges. We have some cloud coverage as the weather app was showing, so that's totally okay. Kind of adds to the morning mood. And yeah, so we just made a quick pull off and we're walking down to the lake over here at Manapouri. Still getting some of that sunrise, and I'm here way ahead of schedule, but that's what I wanted to do, just to kind of explore this area before having to go on the experience today. So we'll be taking a boat ride over this ferry later today, and riding over the mountains in a bus, and riding another ferry in the fjord. So pretty awesome day over here in the fjord land, as they call it. Have to definitely dress a little warmer. I slept pretty good. The area I was, there was a lot of trees, so it helped shading me and keeping me warm in that area. But it's definitely been a little bit colder in the mornings and at night. We just got down to the lake. So we're gonna walk back to the car. Cool little stop just to see the morning and make our way over to the area where we're doing the experience, and just kind of see what's over there. We're about 8 minutes away, maybe less. So very quiet. These towns, I can tell, are seasonal. So I must just be here, like I mentioned last night, right at the break of them going into their winter. So everything, all the lakefronts and hotels and things look all packed away for the season. I either might be nuts for being here right now, or I'm on to something and I found a little secret. So we'll see. And that was Fraser's Beach that we were at. Get a pretty cool view from up top here. And we got all checked in. Get Your Guide was really easy, booked online, came up, added it to my Apple Wallet, showed up this morning and gave them my name and they had it, so smooth sailing and nothing too crazy. So we're just waiting to board 10 minutes before 10, and we're going on this guy right here for the first leg of the trip through the Manapouri Lake, and then we'll get off and ride our bus over the mountain down to the area where we're gonna board the Doubtful Sound ferry. And we got our little day cruise Doubtful Sound pass. We're excited. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. Ready for another one here.
If you do see someone fall overboard, please let us know as soon as possible so we can go back and get them. Doubtful Sound day cruise. Please be aware the coach trip across the Wilmot Pass is 50 minutes long, so if you need to use the toilets, they're available inside the Visitors Centre. So thanks very much. Please go up to and wait inside the Visitors Centre for your coach drivers. They'll pick you up from there. Have a fantastic time, and hopefully we'll see you on the way out.
So we just made it past the Manapouri Lake, and first leg of the trip is done. Now we're walking up to wait for our coach shuttle to take us over the mountain. That was beautiful. Really cool to see the fog and the clouds over the mountain, and just really special. So we're excited to keep going on this adventure. We just got off the coach and now we're heading on to the Doubtful Sound ferry. It's very peaceful over here. The waters are a lot calmer and the weather is holding up. Super cool. Tony was our bus driver. Very friendly, very informal, knowledgeable about this area. Did a great job guiding us over here, over the mountains and the pass. Just made it back from our 3-hour excursion in Doubtful Sound. Really incredible spot, honestly. I haven't done Milford Sound, but
hello folks, thanks for joining us today. Enjoy your trip back across to civilization.
This held up on all the things that I heard about this place. And we were the only boat ferry out there this whole entire time. So peaceful, and highly recommend this. So if you are in the Tiano and Manapouri area, I definitely would come to Doubtful Sound. We snuck it in, no rain, clouds, and just emotions and moody things. So this was a great experience and definitely one that I won't forget. Definitely awesome in Doubtful Sounds. back just like that. What an adventure. Just got back. It's 5 p.m. So that was an all-day excursion, 7 hours during all of that, and got up around 7 a.m. this morning. So full day, but totally worth it. Doubtful Sound is so impressive. The staff at Real New Zealand too, so knowledgeable, so kind, so friendly, and there's no hiccups. The experience is dialed in, and that was one for the books. You can't help but coming back, and you're looking, and most of today there was a lot of cloud coverage and fog and mist and mood, and as we're coming back, sunlight is coming out and blue skies, and you just look back and it's like it's saying goodbye for now. And I feel different leaving that place. That was a really special moment in my life to experience, and anybody who's ever in, again, the Te Anau and Manapouri area, check out Doubtful Sound. Highly recommend their tour. It was well worth it. The fact that you ride a ferry over Lake Manapouri for an hour to get to a coach to ride over the mountain pass, and then down to get on the ferry to go through Doubtful Sound, that should speak volume on the excursion it takes to get into that area and then out to the Tasman Sea. So incredible experience. Not every day, let alone once in a lifetime, that you get to do something like that. And yeah, I was really, really impressed with how smooth everything went, and got so much footage, too much footage if that's even a thing. But yeah, so excited to look back on these moments and cherish being able to come and see something this incredible that the earth has given us. So we're gonna head back to the campsite that I was staying at last night. Seems to be the closest bet. Using my DOC campsite pass again for Henry Creek. Easy, I know where it's at. It's starting to get a little dark, and sunset's gonna go on here in the next probably 30-40 minutes. So get to that spot. Just had a sandwich, some chips, and some coleslaw. I didn't eat. Besides this morning, I knew that was kind of the, not risk, but there was food on board. I just didn't want to pay for it, and you could have added a lunch on top of your tour rate, but I already paid $200 USD and felt that was reasonable enough to spend, so didn't want to really go out anymore with buying food on board when I knew I had food in the van. So yeah, great day of excursion. I feel exhausted and I didn't even do anything. I just took photos, but I guess being on 2 ferry rides and with the ocean and with the stagecoach bus up the mountain pass, you're just tired and wiped from the day. So that means it's a good day, and I'm definitely going to sleep good tonight. So great day in the books here at Doubtful Sounds in the South Island of New Zealand, and one that I'll remember for a very, very long time. So awesome.